mass of Earth is calculated by using the Newton's law of gravitation. What is the Newton's law of gravitation? That is, force is equals to g m1 m2 upon my r square. For suppose it is the mass of Earth and there are two masses as the Newton's law of gravitation, m1 and m2. The one mass is the mass of Earth, that we are representing it by me, and the distance between the center of Earth and the surface of the Earth is radius. It's called radius, and we are representing radius, that is represented by r, but as it is the radius of Earth, so we are denoting it by re. And the second mass we are putting like it is on the surface of the Earth, so we are representing it by m. As we have to calculate the mass of Earth, so instead of these m1 and m2, we are putting the mass of Earth and the mass that is put on the surface of the Earth. So F is equals to g, that is constant, and instead of m1 we are putting m, and instead of m2 we are putting the mass of Earth. Radius we are denoting here by re, so here it's square, so we are just putting it re square. The weight of the body at the surface of Earth is given by W is equals to mg. What is W? W is actually a weight. So weight is a force. Which force? It is that force which is applied by the Earth on every body to pull those objects towards the center of the Earth. So it is actually a force. So we can write it that force is equals to also mg. So we are writing the formula of H here, formula of force here, like instead of force we are writing mg, and here same gm, that is mass of Earth upon radius of the Earth. So these two masses are same, we can cancel both masses, so the remaining is g, and that is a gravitation, g constant, mass of Earth upon radius square. So we have to calculate the mass of Earth. Actually we have to calculate the mass of Earth, so these values will be moving to that side, so we can easily calculate the mass of Earth. So here g is multiplying, there it will go and divide, and here radius is dividing, there will go and it will go and multiply. So this will be actually the formula of mass of Earth. So now we have to simply put the values of these g, radius and the gravitation. So what are the values of this? So these are the values. This is the value of g, and this is the value of radius of Earth, and this is the value of g. So we have to simply put the values here. So mass of Earth is equals to, instead of the value of g we are putting the value of g, and the value of re square is 6.38 into 10 is power 6, and the value of g is 6.67 into 10 is power minus 11. Now firstly we'll multiply this, because it has a power 6.38 with multiply with by the 2, so it will become 40.70, and the power will be multiplying 6 into 2, and that will be 12, 10 is power 12. So now we'll multiply these both, 9.9 and 40.70, the answer will be 398.86, and the power will be same, that is 10 is power 12. Then this value will remain same. Now in next step we'll divide these both, and this minus 11 will move upward, and this will become, it will become plus 11. So now this is 59.79 by dividing it, and 12 plus 11 it will become 23. So it is the rule that the point should be before one digit, after one digit, sorry. So it will be, when the point will move, it will plus 1, the power will be plus 1, so the answer will be 5.98 into 10 is power 24. So by rounding it will become 6 into 10 is power 24 kg. So that is the mass of Earth.